welcome back to your channel. It is so good to see you. It has been a minute. Okay, so today's video is going to be brought to you by QueenLife Hair, and this is the wig that I am rocking right now, and I am loving it. I will have this unit on for a few days at least because I really took my time and installed this unit on my head, which you will see here in just a second. What can I say other than I absolutely love the hair. This is typically how I either wear straight hair. I'm starting to now embrace the whole middle part situation. I used to didn't like it, and I would do a side part, but I'm kind of feeling, and I even did some baby hairs for you baby hair lovers out there. Okay, so I took my time, tacked it down, so I'll have it on for at least a couple days. Anyway, but I absolutely love the hair. I really do. And you know, I will not bring you any hair reviews unless I love them. You'll only see them on my channel if I love the hair. Otherwise, you won't see it. So anyway, you'll see how the hair came, how I actually installed the hair, which was very, very simple for those of you who want to get into wigs and maybe a little hesitant and you want to pretty much know how to lay a wig without it looking like a wig. This is a very simple, easy way to do it, I guess. I did tweeze the part to open it up and make it look a little bit more natural. I didn't quite center it all the way, like directly down the middle, so it's kind of offset just a little bit. And like I said, I did some baby hairs, which is normally, this is the first for me because I normally don't do baby hairs. And I did flat iron the hair only to take the bend out from how it came, you know, transported or whatever, the packaging. So I only used the flat iron to just really take the bend out because it was already straight. The length is perfect. It's very natural in length. This is a very natural girl length hair. Very realistic, you know, doesn't look too Barbie doll down your back, you know, really, really long or whatever. So I'm loving the fact that it feels and looks very natural and like relaxed hair. Also, the hair is not super, super thick, but it's not super, super thin either. This is, I think, 150 density, which is good for straight hair, in my opinion, because I don't want it to be super, super thick, and I don't want it to be like strings either. So this is like a perfect marriage of the density that I need and that I like for myself personally. I didn't tweeze the hairline or anything like that on the hair simply because I will be rocking it probably like this, and I may even bump the hair and just put like some loose waves in it just to, you know, give it something different other than the straight. But I love the straight. It just looks like a no-brainer. Fall is coming, or it's here, I should say. It's getting cool here in my state already. It's overcast outside right now. Perfect for, you know, fall, winter months. Cute. You can definitely make this hair festive by putting some curls in it or just rocking it straight like your girl got hers right now. Anyway, let's jump right into how I installed the hair. All the information about the hair will be listed down in the description bar down below, so be sure and check there if you're interested in checking out their hair or this hair or any other types of hair that they have on the site. And this is what the packaging looks like, which I'll show you in the next coming clip. But it looks just like this, and this is QueenLife Hair. I think I actually worked with this company maybe last month or the month before last. I worked with this company, so I actually enjoy the hair. I love it. I didn't get any shedding from the hair. Again, I just put the unit on my head. You know what I'm saying? I didn't shampoo or condition it, none of that stuff or whatever. I just really cut the lace off and put it on. And that is all I did, but I'm loving it. So if you're interested, sis, make sure you check down below. Come back to the channel. Check me out here doing like a chit-chat vlog. You'll probably see this hair again for sure, at least the next couple days anyway, because I'm feeling real fancy. I'm going to get my nails done and my toes did and everything did and did and did. Okay, jumping right into the video. Catch you guys in the next one. So stay tuned for the next clips. And I love you guys to the morning back. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, fam, so here is what the packaging looks like when I received it. This is QueenLife Hair, as I stated earlier, and it just came with some lashes, and the unit is in plastic. So I'm just showing you what it looks like in the packaging. And here's what it looks like out of the packaging. This is a 360 lace unit, meaning the lace goes all the way around, as you can see here. The construction of the cap is 2 combs, one on each temple, one in the top, and one in the very back of the unit with adjustable straps. So I'm going to cut the lace off and put it on in the next clip for you guys. And here is the type of hair that I have. This is in natural, and it's 20 inches in length. And on the back of the card is your care directions for the unit.